What's up, you guys? I keep buying more and more Shiba Inu coin every one of these videos. So I'm about to get up to 60 million coins by buying $200 more of Shiba Inu coin. And we're going to set it right now. Boom. Now up to 60.7 million coins that we have. And we're on our way to 100 million. We're not going to stop there. We're going to hold at probably somewhere around 120 million coins. And the reason for that is I want to do a lot with the 100 million coins, but I don't want to do anything with the 20 million coins that are left there. So that's great. But we're going to get into this video. We're going to talk about Shiba Inu coin. We're going to talk about the burn rate. We're going to talk about, burning coins in general and just trying to get more and more people over to my burn video that I have, which I will link up in the description right now in the beginning of the video, and you'll see it throughout the whole entire video. So make sure you guys click that video, watch it at least one time a month. If you are a part of Shiba Inu community, I feel like it makes sense for you to watch that and have 10 million views every single month burning off Shiba Inu coin, which we will get into later in the video. So again, hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more videos like this one. If you're one of the 64% that's not subscribed, feel free to subscribe. You've been watching my channel for long enough. Hit the subscribe button. It does help me out. But let's go ahead and dive into this information here. We can see here that, again, I'm holding 60.7 million Shiba Inu right now, and I'm buying at different levels. I'm not buying all at once. I'm now holding $1,829.50 of Shiba Inu, which is 60.7 million. Shiba Inu is down about 8%. Let's look at it on Coinbase. Just the Coinbase app. Coinbase Pro seems to be weird sometimes. I guess they have a different timing schedule, but you can see that everything is down quite a bit. You can even see Loopring down so much. But anyways, that's a whole different story. We can get into that on a later date. But let's go ahead and look at Shiba Inu, right? So Shiba Inu currently is at 0.0000 3040, right? You're looking at about 3,000, right? It's down about 6.7%. It went all the way down to a level of 29, actually broke the level of 30, got down to 2,900. You do see the typical hold time that is around 55 days. Popularity is 10th. It's staying at that level. Obviously, the price comes down as the circulating supply stays the same, and you're going to see a lower market cap. So we're seeing a market cap of 16.7 billion, which is still decent. It's just not where we hoped for it to be. And don't think that Shiba Inu is dead because it's at $16.7 billion market cap from where it was at like a 30 or 40 or $50 billion market cap, right? Everything is down in the actual market. So the crypto market is not really running the right way. It's not just Shiba Inu. So don't think that this is only tanking because people don't believe in it. That's not the case. It's tanking because I believe, and this is solely my opinion, is institutions, hedge funds have a small amount into the crypto space, the crypto market, as well as the stock market, are actually liquidating a lot of their investments and still doing it, in the beginning of 2022, rather than just doing it at the end of 2021 in order to capitalize on the losses that they have and also save on taxes that they would have in fiscal year 2022 that they would pay for fiscal year 20, or not fiscal year, calendar year 2021. I don't know why I've been saying fiscal year the whole time. I'm used to, being at work and talking about fiscal year. But anyways, where you're seeing it now is a level of about 3,000. You're seeing it at 3,040. Volume is actually up today, so you're seeing some sell volume. You're seeing some buy volume. It says it's 65% buy, so I'm going to take that as a win, even though it doesn't make sense with the fall that's actually happening. But I'll leave it at that. But the important thing that I want to take from, or I want you to take from this video, is understanding what this can be. Right? People that say that Shiba Inu can be nothing, right? It's not going to be anything and it's not going to do anything. They don't understand what cryptocurrency is really all about and how cryptocurrency moves, right? We understand the entire market is pulling back, and the entire market moves with the entire market. You're going to see some things that are actually moving up A very small amount of things are actually moving up, but you'll see majority of the things, whether it's in the top 25 or it's in the top 100, you're going to see a majority of the things, 99% of things actually pulling back quite a bit because it has some sort of institutional holding to it, or big money holding to it. As they have insiders that have money into these positions, they decide to get out of the position because they know that the market is going to pull back, right? They have that inside information. I am definitely thinking that that could be the case. But again, it's all speculation. So what I wanted to talk about again was the burn, right? And this was kind of old news, right? I did have some information about this in a previous video, but just understanding what this coin is all about, right? 239 million Shiba Inu tokens worth approximately $9,000 were burned at a party organized by Stephen Cooper, right? Understanding what this is all about, a lot of people look at this and they look past it, they look through it. But what this is showing is that Shiba Inu is a burn token, right? When people get into this position, they're ready to burn the coin or have it burned so that we can see the price go up. We can see the market cap go up. We can see everybody just gain so much more that's already holding it. It's not a reverse split. It's not a split. It's not doing anything with taking people's coins and turning them into less coins, or taking people's coins and turning them into more coins. It's about keeping the same amount of coins that you have, burning the coins that are there, decreasing the supply, which essentially increases the price as long as demand stays the same. Are you following? Hopefully you are. So basically, when you look at Shiba Inu coin, you're going to say, this is a burn coin, right? This is a coin that will gain value as time goes on because people burn it down to a lower level, every single day. Now, I understand a lot of people make that argument saying that the coin just has too many coins out there. It's such a high supply. No matter what you burn off as a person or as a group, it's not enough. $9,000 is not enough to burn off, trillions of coins. It is a start though, right? You burn off millions of coins, you get to the level where you could burn off billions of coins, you get to that level where you can burn off even more, right? Look at the title of this. Shiba Inu burn at a Christmas party removes 1.14 billion coins, right? That's an even higher level than that millions of coins that we do see, hundreds of millions of coins, right? We're seeing it at the level of billions. We're seeing that in 7 days. In a previous article, they burned off 150 billion coins, right? Understanding what this needs to be in 10 years in order to get to a reasonable level, you need to burn off an average of 150 billion coins per day in order to get to the level that we wanted to get to, a penny, 5 cents, a dollar, all of that, right? But I think that in a level where I did talk about this, in my crypto potential spreadsheet, let's actually go over here. You're going to see that within 20 years, if you're burning off 50% per year, you're going to get to a level of 561 million coins. 561 million coins easily gets you to that level to where you're like, all right, I can accept the fact that this can get to $1. It gets to $1, $561 million market cap. That's in 20 years. That's if they burn off 50% per year. And who knows what this is going to be, right? So this is why I always say that a burn on this will not be bad at all, right? Seeing a system level burn will obviously be good because then we're not spending money, but finding a way to burn the coins without spending our money is the best thing that we can do. You have a lot of people that are creating maybe concerts, right? Taking some of the proceeds of concerts, playing music and, doing something there. Basically burning it off themselves. I've burned coins myself. And what we're essentially doing in a lot of these cases is wasting our money, right? You waste your money, burning coins. I understand that you're helping the cause, and if everybody does it, you'll see the price skyrocket. However, there's a lot of people that are going to be stubborn and not do it, and there's a lot of people that probably don't have enough money to do it and just want to pocket as much as they possibly can. The human race is greedy. I understand. So how about I create a way for you guys in order to burn off as many coins as possible? And that's what the burn video is for. That's what I created. The link that's in the cards, make sure you guys check it out. That's what the burn video is for. I'm going to have that video out there, and every single month that will burn off coins. If it burns off $1,000, then great. If it burns off $10,000, then great. If it burns off $100,000, then freaking excellent, right? I'm looking to burn off as much coins or as many coins as we possibly can without me spending any money. Literally, that's a video that would not get the views without you guys supporting it. So if you want to check it out, if you want to burn the coins, if you want to get Shiba Inu to a higher level, just check out the video in the link above, in the cards above, because what it will do is throughout time, we will burn off enough coins in order to make this a reasonable price. And you're probably asking yourself and saying, hey, Matt, what you could do with that money is you could actually invest in the Shiba Inu if you wanted to and buy up all of these coins rather than burning them off. You can buy them up and hold it. Well, that seems greedy of me. I'm not going to do something like that. I'm not going to buy up all of the coins based on you guys watching this video. I'd rather burn the coins and have everybody benefit from this as well, right? Because as soon as I decide to sell as a person that may hold millions, billions, hundreds of billions, whatever it is, then it ends up becoming a problem for me. I'd rather burn off the coins, set everybody up in a situation to where we can actually make a ton of money out of this because the price is actually lower and the people that are in on the ground floor can make so much from this and be very, very successful, create generational wealth and go about their day, go about their years, go about their life, feeling way happier than, what they were beforehand. So let me know what you think about it. I wanted to talk about this and just push the burn video a little bit more. This video is not a burn video. This video is just an informational video. I have one video that will burn a ton of coins. So if you want to watch it a bunch of times, feel free to check it out. It's easier to track that way, right? So I can look at one video and say, this is what I'm burning, right? This is what I'm going to be burning this month. This is what I'm going to be burning next month, all of that, and so on and so forth. So if you want to check it out, again, it's in the cards. Make sure you guys hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you're one of the 64% that's watching this video and watched a few of my video, you're a return viewer, but you're not subscribed. Feel free to hit the subscribe button. I hate asking, but I feel like you have to, because once you do ask, you have a bunch of people that do subscribe. So again, thank you for watching. I'm going to get out of here and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.